Casement Windows Rowlett, Texas, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Energy-efficient casement windows in Rowlett offer significant savings on energy bills, making them a smart investment for any home. Casement window repair services in Rowlett ensure that your windows remain functional and secure, extending their lifespan and maintaining their performance. Custom casement windows in Rowlett, Texas, provide a personalized touch to your home, allowing you to choose from various styles, materials, and finishes. Vinyl casement windows in Rowlett, TX, are a durable and low-maintenance option, perfect for those seeking a cost-effective solution. Aluminum casement windows in Rowlett offer a sleek, modern look while providing excellent durability and strength. Wooden casement windows in Rowlett, Texas, add a classic, timeless appeal to any home, offering natural insulation and beauty. Casement window replacement in Rowlett, TX, is essential for maintaining the integrity and efficiency of your windows, ensuring they continue to perform optimally. Double-glazed casement windows in Rowlett provide superior insulation, reducing noise and enhancing energy efficiency. Casement window maintenance in Rowlett is crucial for keeping your windows in top condition, preventing costly repairs and replacements. Casement window styles in Rowlett, Texas range from traditional to contemporary, allowing homeowners to find the perfect match for their home's architecture. Casement window hardware in Rowlett, TX includes locks, hinges, and handles, ensuring your windows are secure and easy to operate. Casement windows Rowlett, Texas, protect your home from insects while allowing fresh air to circulate, enhancing indoor air quality. Casement window locks in Rowlett, TX provide added security, giving homeowners peace of mind. Casement window hinges in Rowlett, Texas are designed for smooth operation, ensuring your windows open and close effortlessly. Casement window frames in Rowlett, TX are available in various materials, including wood, vinyl, and aluminum, each offering unique benefits. Casement window glass in Rowlett, Texas can be customized to meet your specific needs, whether you require enhanced insulation or UV protection. Casement window design in Rowlett, TX allows homeowners to create a unique look that complements their home's style. Casement window cost in Rowlett, Texas varies depending on the materials, size, and features chosen, but investing in quality windows can increase your home's value. Casement window benefits in Rowlett, TX include improved energy efficiency, enhanced security, and increased curb appeal. Casement window features in Rowlett, Texas, such as double glazing and custom finishes, offer additional functionality and style. Casement window options in Rowlett, TX are vast, with numerous styles, materials, and finishes available to suit any home. Casement window sizes in Rowlett, Texas can be customized to fit any opening, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless installation. Casement window materials in Rowlett, TX include wood, vinyl, and aluminum, each offering unique advantages. Casement window brands in Rowlett, Texas offer a range of high-quality products, ensuring homeowners have access to the best options available. Casement windows in Rowlett, TX are a popular choice for their versatility, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. Best casement windows in Rowlett are those that meet your specific needs and preferences, providing long-lasting performance and beauty. Casement windows. Rowlett services offer comprehensive solutions, from installation to maintenance, ensuring your windows remain in excellent condition. Casement window installation in Rowlett is a seamless process, with experienced professionals handling every aspect to ensure a perfect fit. Energy-efficient windows in Rowlett are a wise investment, reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort. Casement window repair in Rowlett is essential for addressing any issues promptly, preventing further damage and maintaining window performance. Custom windows in Rowlett, Texas allow homeowners to create a unique look that reflects their personal style. Vinyl windows in Rowlett, TX are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Aluminum windows in Rowlett offer a modern, sleek appearance, perfect for contemporary homes. Wooden windows in Rowlett, Texas, provide natural beauty and insulation, enhancing your home's charm and energy efficiency. Window replacement in Rowlett, TX, is crucial for maintaining your home's comfort and efficiency, ensuring your windows perform optimally. Double-glazed windows in Rowlett offer superior insulation, reducing noise and energy costs while enhancing comfort. Window maintenance in Rowlett is vital for keeping your windows in top condition, preventing costly repairs and replacements. Window styles in Rowlett, Texas, range from traditional to modern, allowing homeowners to find the perfect match for their home's architecture.